Hello everyone, this is me, Dhruv, and my classmate Himanshu are here, came up with a project proposal of whom we have given its name as Smart Dump. So the basic idea behind this is e-waste management system, but here we have an innovation for its implementation is that it's a door-to-door collection system, which I will be explaining later. In the modern world, gadgets and devices are all around us, and as the technology changes, old one becomes a waste. And sometimes gadgets get really old and ugly, which means that it's a waste now. So these factors and some of the factors are creating a lot of e-waste. And in India, it's about 2 million tons produced annually. This creates the base of our project, Smart Dump, where we are having website to play a major role in the collection. So basically, our project is e-waste collection / management system, where the process is as following, which you can see on your screen. This one. Number 1, the seller or the person who is giving e-waste ask / request Smart Dump through this website, or even can ask through our email. Number 2, at that time we ask the seller to share his required details and even try to decide the price at that time when we agree on a bracket. Then we reach out to our local bodies at the node level, which we call them as collector or the kabadi walas. Number 4, that collector collects the e-waste and hand it over to us, where our expert would look toward its quality and fix a price between that bracket on which the seller and our customer care faculty agreed. After that, we step forward to pay seller on his/her consent. After that, collected good is tested for the parts that could be refurbished, and the recyclable waste is sent as according to the e-waste management rule by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, where the objective is to meet sustainability with sitting at our home and even lying in our couch. The only thing is the person need to do is just ask by applying a request, and the rest is up to us. Talking about the problems, awareness and accessibilities both lacks in our society, as mostly people know that we should not throw e-waste in general dustbins, but are not aware of the places where they can left their e-waste, which calls upon the need for accessibility to those places. As according to a survey which I took, says only 9 people out of 20 are aware of the e-waste collection center and 11 don't. Here you can see that. And only 9 people agrees that their management in their society ask for the segregation of e-waste. Here you can see that. So the benefits of the Smart Dump are: number 1, it's an awareness program as well as provide accessibility to disposable center with one person can achieve it at home. Number 2, it is going to provide jobs to many people, including kabadi walas in an organized sector. Number 3, Smart Dump help to attain sustainability with initiating disposal of e-waste. Thank you and have a nice day.